The following video is rated PG-13, which may contain scenes and or themes that are not for people under the age of 13.
A, B, C, D, E.
Ready, Scotty?
Ready, Mackenzie.
Then let's get this show on the road. Roll camera. Cue the earth.
University television. For all the university students out there.
Up next, University Challenge.
Jeopardy Television presents
a risky future production
of What's the Word film.
In the words of Dean Martin, that's amore. Ha 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 ha.
Jeepers creepers. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. Fiddlesticks. I'm calling corporate.
Could we quit it with the Nick avocado jokes? They're getting old now that Nick has lost the weight.
Well, excuse me. Rhythm television. Don't be so quick to walk away. Dance with me.
I wanna rock your body. Please stay. Dance with me.
You don't have to admit you wanna play. Dance with me.
Justin Timberlake, 2003.
Okay, wow. What the hell is that? That was just Alien sleeping on the floor like he had no bed to sleep on.
Really? Again with the Wanda and the alien crap? This just never gets old, right?
Gee, what's next?
Oh, I want to do the 100 catch.
Oh, yeah. Of course. I was least expecting that.
Sargatarjan television. Sargatarjan is beautiful.
Wait, what? I can't believe we had to show that.
You never saw no television yet? Oh great. Now the captions are in the Sargatarjan language. This is getting out of hand.
Bortrani, Kaland, Jayakasag, Mulatas, Zanvidli, Zrilam, Tragedia, Pnoseg, The Sargatajan Life, Mindan Hetkas Napituati El Musaran, Shamnamaman Array.
Okay, this is getting weird. Could we please move on to the next blooper?
Shooting star television. When you see it, make a wish.
I wish Scotty had grown a brain.
But the fact is, Mike doesn't have one.
Take it easy, Mike. He didn't mean it. Stay cool. Ha. Oh. Tantrum. Coming on now. No, damn it, radar overseer Scotty, stop making those insults about my brain, and I thought you would treat me with respect, but I was wrong, you coward.
I'm sorry, Mike. I was only poking fun at you.
One of these days, Scotty.
Brat television. Television for spoiled brats.
I thought the word brat came from that Charlie XCX album.
I personally never listened to that album before, but that Apple dance is undeniably fun to imitate.
Holy shnikes! Did you see that, Hank? Scotty exploded out of existence.
I don't even know what I just witnessed, but let's carry on.
Now what the hell was that? Why was the logo backwards?
I don't know, Sam. Let's try again.
Now what is this music? I don't even know what song is this from.
Oh boy. Is the bird family going to be on?
In the next episode, Orange Bird must face his fears while Chuck tries to help him overcome them.
Why do you sound like Travis? If he were here right now, I'd punch him.
Now what the hell was that? It sounded like the Universal Pictures music sung by a Minecraft villager while blasting air horns or something.
Elmo.
The following program is brought to you in living color on NBC. Except the peacock has gone broke.
Wait, what?
Now they put the freaking Blue Eye theme song in the Universal Television logo. I was expecting worse.
Where's flowers for bees? Thank you, Magpie. But it must have been a different bird that we heard.
Please help me.
Now it's the Breaking Bad theme in the Universal Television logo.
Jesse, we need to cook. Ha 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 ha.
Sci-fi. Exploring the world of science fiction since 1992.
Up next, Star Trek.
To boldly go where no man has gone before. Raffle, 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 raffle.
The Amazing World of Gumball, a Cartoon Network series that is scheduled to return later in 2025 or 2026. Oh, it's so back.
Ah, the Windows 7 startup. I used to remember it when it was still the thing. Good times.
Michael Jacobs Productions. The company best known for creating Boy Meets World and Girl Meets World.
Do any of you guys know if this company is still alive?
No, because this company shut down in 2017 when Girl Meets World ended.
Amazon MGM Studios. I didn't know Amazon Studios merged with MGM a year ago.
Iona Productions. It must be time for America's Funniest Home Videos. Tonight, Sully Cat's doing Sully things. Ha 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 ha.
The following program is from NET, the Public Television Network.
NET, National Educational Television.
Gee, I always wanted to move to the NET house.
Speaking of moving, I just found out from Norman that he's going to move to Nairtosh next year in 2025.
What? So he's going to live in a village now? But Norman has been living in the Iragi Haza for almost 2 years.
I know, but Norman felt like he wanted to move to a much safer and calmer place, so that's why he made that decision.
Damn. That's sad to hear that.
Well, change happens, they say.
I know. Now let's continue with the logo.
Not just yet, the logo.
Oh, great. Just what we missed. The return of the angry peahead and two-headed peahead.
Who did you expect, Bonnie and Clyde?
What the hell do you want with us this time? Have you come to take me to New Hades?
No, actually.
We've come to protest.
Protest? What protest?
In Sid and Ron's episode 58, there was a scene near the end of the episode in which Victor Marshall and Neil Fitzgerald brutally killed the two kids, Rosie and Craig, in a shipping container.
In fact, there was also a complaint from a mother in Angry, where she complained that the scene was too violent and made her kids horrified.
Oh come on now. But 2TV already moved the show to post-Watershed many months ago.
I know, but ever since the Wolf Bridge story arc was introduced in August, it caused the show to have more violence, swearing, and brutality that caused many fans to distance themselves away from it, and us, Sims and Loves has jumped the shark.
So cancel this show immediately.
Over that violent scene. Really? That's not going to work.
We don't care. Norman has gone way too far with transitioning Sims and Loves from just a mafia show to a TV and A-rated drama, and he has to end it for good.
And do you remember Joshua Caddick who keeps protesting about the direction Sims and Loves took?
That was many months ago. He was already banned, remember?
If he wasn't banned, what would he say about that violent scene? He'd say that the video would be age-restricted if Sims and Loves continues to include more violent scenes.
Hold on there for just a moment. G4P-TV has an age rating system, and younger viewers are clearly not allowed to watch shows that either have violence or foul language.
But that's not enough. Either you cancel Sims and Loves, or all the protesters will force you into it.
No one forces Norman to cancel his shows, and gets away with it. Take that. Justice served. Now let's get back to the logo.
What the heck? The logo is so small I can't even see it. Great. Now it's too big to fit through the screen. What are we going to do now?
Well, nothing. All we can do now is take the rest of the day off and go out for lunch.
Good idea, Anna. The tab's on me.
This video is part of G4P TV's Super Saturdays. Super Saturdays, the perfect way to kick off the weekend.